Okay, maraming salamat sa pagdating sa inyong Luis. Merry Christmas! Andy Haynon. Okay, nandito kami sa bahay ni Maring Ernie Timbal. Dito sa Manigato, Marilao. Nandito nagtapok-tapok ang atong mga dabarkads. Blast ito. Nandito lahat. Standing in the door, here with me away. Hello, one, two, three.
Woohoo! Paborito ko!
Around the world to find ourselves
Yulan Hotel.
December morning. We dance until the night becomes a brand new day.
Woohoo!
Two lovers play scenes from some romantic play. December morning still can't get that way. Okay, Merry Christmas. When we come back, still can hear you crying in the corner of your room. And look how far we've come, so far from where we used to be. But so far that we've forgotten how it was before. December morning, do you remember how we danced the night away? Two lovers play scenes from some romantic place. December morning still can make me feel that way. Okay mga kandidato, andito ka pariente, andito si Pipi Oracion, si Pandoy Major, ano na pe, si Blaster Tutor, si Cardio Alingasa,
Kuha ka dagog.
to lovers places from some romantic place.
Yay!
December morning still can make me feel that way. December morning, do you remember we got to have a brand new day? Two lovers places from some romantic place. December morning still can make me feel that way. Okay, maraming salamat Maring Ernie Timbal, ang aming founder president sa Kandihanon chapter. Dito lang sa may Marilao, Ikanto. Andito mga bigatin si Pipi Oracion, Major Bandoy Adorable, Blaster Tutitator, at si Dario Alingasa.
Ganda chapter.
Okay.